Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add custom domain to Vercel. So for this, of course, you need to be making sure that you have the domain. So you can see we have a MareVision website. If I click onto that and if I click on visit, you will be able to see that this is our site that is basically deployed onto the Vercel platform. Now you can see its domain name is something MareVision website, which I want to change. And how exactly you can do it is using GitHub settings. And over here you can see we have all of its logs. If you head over to deployments, you will see all of your deployments. And if you click on these three dots, we need to simply change its URL using the GitHub settings that was previously used for pushing in VS Code. So it cannot be done on Vercel platform. You need to have your GitHub and Visual Studio Code ready in order to change its name or simply change the repository where it is being stored. So I'm also personally using this, and I hope this helps. See you in the next one.